feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
She's getting water to take a shower.
Help me.
That's how you do it in the Philippines. Give it to me now. Ugh. You should have told Charlie to help you.
Charlotte, baby. You're Charlotte, baby.
No, you the boy.
You boy, baby. You Harold Baboy. Oh, yeah. Here.
What's wrong with you?
Here.
Here comes the morning torture.
Harold Baboy.
Harold the boy.
What are you gonna eat?
You gotta make your noodles.
What noodles?
I thought you said you wanted noodles.
Yeah.
The ones over there? You still have some now?
This one long.
You want that kind?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna burn down the kitchen.
Wait, you just want bulldog?
No, baby, I'm gonna eat like till 12.
Huh?
I'm gonna eat till 12. Mas pinasarap. PancitCanton instant. How you say this? Pancit? No mas?
What?
Pancit noodle?
PancitCanton.
PancitCanton.
Yeah.
These are the instant noodles of the Philippines. Ow. Oh, they're good though. They're really good. Ain't nothing. These are not like the ones.
Harold Big.
These are.
Harold Big.
You, but boy. These
No,
are.
I'm not my boy. You.
These are nothing like.
Okay. Look, oh, you need to put the water.
Whoa, you over here distracting me. See, he's gonna leave. Huh? Oh my gosh.
No, not water.
Oh no. This one's clean. You don't know that one's clean all the way.
Harold the boy.
You, but boy. Oh, that's the. Okay. False alarm. Take a shower.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Harold the boy.
Maryland, but boy. It's a beautiful morning
The boy.
here in the Philippines.
Harold the boy.
Okay, now. I'm gonna go get my belt. Anyways.
Baby.
What? These noodles are nothing like the ramen noodles from America. Ramen noodles is boo. This right here, this is man, this is heaven in a packet. You just don't know. If you are in the Philippines, I recommend this shit. I mean, this. You know, at first I was hectic about trying it. I was like, it's gonna be just like ramen noodles, but Philippine style. And I didn't want to try it. I was like, nah. But once once you try this, man, hold up. You're gonna be like, what the fuck is ramen noodles? What the? So, I know I cooked these before, but in case y'all missed it, I'm gonna show y'all what's in the package again. You got your pancit, however you say it. You're gonna drop it in the water. And this is part of the magic. You got your seasoning. And these little things right here. This is heaven. That is heaven. This shit makes me taste so good. No, but really, this is this right here. Well, I'm gonna cut the video and I'll come back show y'all.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, a lover's moment.